I went little crazy this time and shopped a lot. So मैंने इस बार सवाना से बहुत सारे विंटर कलेक्शन मंगवाए हैं. I thought winter is already here, so why not shop some winter look? And I thought I'll do a mini haul over here. So let's start. Also, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you're new here, I'm Varsha Rekhatik. This thing is this sweater. It's not a sweater, it's a jacket basically. So yeah, I'll wear first. It's kind of a sweater and coat kind of a situation, and I think I look cute in this. It's giving major K-drama kind of a girl vibe, and yeah, I think it's cute. बहुत ही अच्छा है, बहुत ही comfortable है, and it's quite thick. So I think yes. कुछ ऐसा था भी नहीं, so I was like कि yeah, this will look good on me. Like I can wear it on top or like with the skirt, can pair it up with the skirt. So I think yeah, this is like cute fit. And can we take a moment to appreciate the most beautiful bag जो मैंने समाना से ली है. I mean, look at this bag. It's quite chic, trending, and it's give me major mean girl vibe. I think yeah, I'm in love with this bag. I'm carrying it everywhere. अभी इसमें मेरा सारा सामान है. I started using it as well. It's like a pure leather, and काफ़ी टाइम से ऐसी बैग ढूंढ रही थी और finally I got it from Savana, and the material is too good. It's a pure leather. Smell से ही समझ में आता है that it's pure leather. But yeah, second outfit is this. It's ulta. T-shirt and a hoodie. It's kind of mixture of t-shirt and hoodie. It's not that thick, but I'll show you. Ta-da! I think it's giving me a good girl vibe. मतलब ऐसा लग रहा है मैं बहुत studious हूँ. No, actually not a good girl vibe. It's giving me major Alina from Vampire Diaries vibe. It's quite, you know, a college kind of a outfit. But let me show you. Once you wear the cap, you are so bitchy. Am I giving the baddie vibe with the cap? I think yes. I think the best part about this t-shirt plus hoodie kind of a thing is it has a cap, and I love it. I don't think so you are ready for this one. This is the dress. It's a basically wine color dress. मैंने जब उनके website पे देखी थी, I was like, I want this dress. I don't know, I want this dress because मुझे वो dress इतनी ज़्यादा पसंद आई थी because it's classy, it's chic. I mean, it's perfect for winters basically. So I'll just wear it. My red dress tonight. It's giving major classy vibe. I mean, the best thing about this dress is that it's a perfect, sexy and a classy dress, but it's not revealing anything. I mean, if you wear this dress, you'll be the center of attraction everywhere, and people will notice you no matter what. Let me show you the full look of this dress. I mean, how sexy and how beautiful this dress looks. Oh my god, like I'm in love with this dress, and I think it's perfect for Christmas यार. So yeah, I एक बार इसको पहना है. I went to some event or somewhere like that, but I think I'm gonna wear it again in Christmas. This is a perfect for Christmas, I guess, and yeah, I think it's giving major red wine kind of a vibe. And yeah, there's a little slit over here which makes this dress more comfortable. If you're walking, ये ऊपर नहीं जाएगी. So yeah. And मैंने वीडियो के स्टार्टिंग में बताया था कि I went little crazy this time. तो मैंने एक और पर्स वहाँ से शॉप की, and this is the one. I mean, look at this. It is so classy. I mean, gives old money kind of a vibe. और मेरे पास ऐसी बैग थी भी नहीं. So yeah, I think I love this bag. I mean, look at this one. The leather is perfect. The stitching is perfect. The golden, this thing is giving major, you know, old money kind of a vibe. So if you're going for some event या office की किसी meeting में, this is the best bag. ये मेरे उन बैग्स में जाने वाला है जो मैं occasionally carry करती हूँ. I mean, किसी अच्छे event के लिए और या कहीं पर. So yeah. This pink color dress. I know it's not part of a winter collection, but जब मैं scroll कर रही थी तो I saw this dress and I was like, यार ये dress बहुत pretty है because you know एज यू नो ऑल कि पुणे एंड मुंबई में विंटर्स इतने नहीं होते हैं, सो यू कैन वेयर समर कलेक्शन एज वेल. मतलब दिन के टाइम पे यू कैन वेयर समर कलेक्शन, रात को यू हैव टू वेयर लिटिल बिट ऑफ विंटर कलेक्शन. एंड दिस इज हाउ दिस ड्रेस लुक्स लाइक. I mean, it's a very pretty pink and there's a like hint of purple in it. I think I bought this dress out of summertime sadness. So I'll tell you why I brought this dress out of winter collection. मेरे पास ना बहुत सारी ऐसी dresses हैं but they are strapless. So I have to wear the tube bra or you know whatever the jhol jhal inside it. The part about the winter collection dresses or winter collection top is that you have to wear your normal bras. And you can comfortably wear it and go outside. So it's perfect for you know if you're going for brunch or lunch. चीज़ें ऑर्डर की है, उसमें से अगर सबसे ज़्यादा सेकंड नंबर पर मुझे कोई चीज़ पसंद आई है तो वो ये ड्रेस है, बिकॉज ये इतना परफेक्टली फिट होता है मुझे. एंड आई थिंक द पिंक कलर लुक्स प्रीटी क्यूट ऑन मी. ब्रंच या लंच पे पहनूंगी एंड आई थिंक द फिटिंग इज ऑल्सो क्वाइट ब्यूटिफुल. एंड द लास्ट वन इज दिस जिम वेयर. आई थिंक आई एम इन लव विद देयर जिम वेयर्स. मतलब उनके जिम वेयर इतने कंफर्टेबल, इतने सॉफ्ट, और उनका जो मटीरियल होता है ना इट्स वेरी सॉफ्ट. इवन द पैंट I got it from Savannah. So I'm in love with their gym wear, or the last is always my favorite. So I think this is my favorite gym wear. Mostly जितने भी gym wear हैं वो Savannah से ही हैं because they are very comfortable and stretchable. So मुझे बहुत अच्छे लगते हैं. So my personal favorite is Savannah. Whenever I'm going for you know अगर मुझे जिम के लिए कुछ शॉप करना होता है तो Savannah is the best option. They have multiple leggings, multiple you know jackets or multiple pullovers. तो ये तो मेरा फेवरेट है. आई मीन द वाइट कलर इज गिविंग मेजर एंजल वाइब. गोज टू जिम एवरी सिंगल डे. वैसे तो मैं वर्कआउट हमेशा ही करती हूँ बट आई थिंक विद दिस फिट आई एम लुकिंग मोर फिटर. So this is what all I have shopped from Savannah, and their Black Friday sale is going on right now guys. So if you want to buy something, उसमें buy one get one free चल रहा है. There are a lot of 50% discounts are going on. So if you want to shop something from Savannah, you can go for it. So the November winter collection, इसका part 2 भी मैं अपलोड करूँगी जिसमें और भी ज़्यादा मैंने बहुत कुछ शॉप किया है वहाँ से. Their dresses and so many different kind of stuffs. And if you want, you can use my coupon code. I'll provide it over here and you can get discount. So yeah, let me know how do you like the winter collection, and let me know which all look should I try next. And yeah, thank you so much for watching this video. I'll see you guys super soon. Love you all.